Now let me carefully explain how to fix the error message, Premium Reward for Exporting, in the CapCut app on your phone. This issue can be resolved with a few simple steps. This error in CapCut indicates that your project contains paid elements. As you can see here, CapCut will block the export if even one premium effect is used. It's essential to check for these elements to resolve the issue effectively. For example, you might find premium elements like fonts, transitions, music, or even AI features in your project. For instance, to begin with, you should carefully locate the elements marked as Pro. Check all effects, filters, various transitions, fonts, music, and so on. Don't forget to examine even the AI features, as they may also be causing the issue. If you find any premium elements, you must remove them or replace them with standard effects. This will help you successfully export your project without issues. For example, yes, if you have a certain effect, simply remove it. Then go into the Effects section, select Video Effects, and here you can carefully add your new effect of choice. And make sure there's no Pro subscription active, as you see. After that, carefully check the music or auto subtitles. As you can see, there are many premium elements present there too. For example, there may be premium music that you downloaded. Yes, but also keep in mind that even auto-generated fonts can be premium. As you can see here, check everything carefully. So, please check everything to ensure it's fine. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck now.